Hello everyone, today we're going to learn Urdu with a song. Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Sarah. If you're new to this channel, I teach online and have been teaching for the last 5 years. On this channel, I've been teaching since 2020 and I provide Urdu lessons and I teach Urdu through grammar, literature, stories, movies and songs. Today we're going to learn Urdu with a ghazal called Hasi Khanakti Hui. These lessons are suitable for intermediate learners. I love Urdu ghazals and recently I've been listening to Nayyara Noor a lot because she just passed away and I just want to listen to all of her ghazals. She had sung some classic ghazals and I've been listening to these ghazals since I was a child. These lyrics and these ghazals are very close to my heart because they represent a bond of friendship. What we're going to do is we're going to listen to a line, we're going to understand it, and then we're going to move forward. So now let's listen to it together. Hasi Khanakti Hui. Hasi means laughter. Hasi, it's a feminine noun. Hasi Khanakti Hui, the tinkling laughter, the pleasant melodious sound of laughter. Khanakna is this ringing, this beautiful, pleasant, tinkling sound. Bujhi bujhi khushiyan. Bujhna is an intransitive verb. It means to get extinguished. The transitive verb is bujhana. Bujhana is to extinguish or to put out a fire. Means dull flame. Khushiyan means happiness, the plural of happiness. Khushiyan means happinesses. Khushiyan, buji buji khushiyan means a dull flame of happiness. Buji buji khushiyan. है दोस्ती की महक से, है दोस्ती की महक से. दोस्ती is friendship. की महक से. महक is a scent. दोस्ती की महक is the scent of friendship. दोस्ती की महक. Say here means with the scent of friendship. रची हुई घड़ियाँ. घड़ियाँ is moment, times. रचे होना is to filled with. It's an adjective. रची हुई. रची हुई is filled with. These times which is filled with the scent of friendship. This is talking about the moments of teenagehood. When there's no responsibility, no care in the world, you're light-hearted and kind of carefree. मज़ा अनोखा सा है. मज़ा अनोखा सा है. Maza means the fun. Anokha, the synonym is munfarid, a unique, a strange. The fun and pleasure is very strange and unique. So the fun that we had in our childhood and in our teenagehood was very unique. It was very strange. Aate jate lamho mein. Aate means coming and jate means going. Lamho mein means in the moments. Lamha is a moment and lamho is the oblique form of moments. Lamho mein, in the coming and going moments. What it means is in the ephemeral moments, in those ephemeral moments, in those temporary times, strange happiness comes from those moments, from thinking about those moments. Or thinking about those friendships. Kitabe god mein pheli. Kitabe means books. God is lap. In the lap, pheli means spread. The books are spread on our laps, ignored, unnoticed. खोए बातों में. We are, खोए means lost. हैं खोए बातों में, in the talks, in the conversation. While the books lie unignored and unnoticed, we just want conversations. We're lost in the conversations. रफ़ाक़तों में ख़ज़ाना जो हमने पाया है. रफ़ाक़तों में ख़ज़ाना. रफ़ाक़तों में means in the companionship, in the closeness. Rafaqat means closeness, togetherness, the intimacy of fellowship. Khazana means treasure. We have found treasure in friendship. We have found treasure in togetherness, closeness, or this camaraderie. जो हमने पाया है. What we got. The treasure that we got. Pana is to get. We have found a treasure in these friendships, in these moments. Na dil pe boj hai koi. Dil means heart. Na means no. Dil pe means on the heart. Boj is burden. Koi means any. There's no burden on the heart. This is the time when we had no burden on our hearts. We were carefree. Na gham ka saya hai. Gham means sadness. Saya is shadow. Gham also means sorrow or grief. Na gham ka saya. There's no shadow of sorrow. There's no shadow of grief. The writer is pretty nostalgic. हमें ये गुण है. हमें ये गुण है कि we have this insistence. We have this pursuit. खुशबू को हम तो देखेंगे. खुशबू means scent. देखेंगे is will see. खुशबू को we will see the scent. We have this pursuit. We have this desire to see the scent. यकीन है कि सितारों को पढ़ के छू लेंगे. यकीन है कि we have a belief. यकीन is belief. We believe. We have a belief. Here the subject is not mentioned but is implied, which is हमको यकीन है. We have a belief. Yaqeen is an abstract noun, so ko is used with the subject. हमको यकीन है. We have. Ko is representing have. We have a belief. हमको यकीन है. सितारों को बढ़ के छू लेंगे. Sitara is stars. Sitaron is the plural of stars. Sitaron ko means stars. Badke means reach forward. Chhu lena is to touch. We will touch the stars. Chhu lenge. We will touch the stars. This is future tense. Sitaron ko badke chhu lenge. Because at that time when you are youthful and you're young and you're just starting out in life, you believe that you can do anything, and so she's saying that at that time we thought that we can see the sand and we can touch the skies, we can touch the stars. We believe that we will step forward and will touch the stars. खुला ये राज बिछड़ना भी था बहारों को. खुला ये राज. Raz is secret. Khula means opened. Opened this secret. What it means is that soon the truth is unveiled. The truth was revealed. What was the truth? Bichharna bhi tha baharon ko. Bichharna means to separate. Bichharna, to separate. Baharo means spring. We came to know that the blooming flowers of the spring will go away. What she's saying is that we found out the truth, that the separation was our destiny. Bicharna bhi tha baharon ko. We were destined to separate with our childhood, with our teenagehood, with those beliefs.
किसी के हाथ नहीं छू सके सितारों को.
We came to know that we are not invincible. Kisi ke haath nahi, no one's hand. We found out that no one's hand chhu sake sitaro ko. Chhu sake means could touch. Chuna is to touch. Chhu sake means could touch. It's in the past tense. Chhu sake, could touch sitaro ko. Touch the stars. Found out that no one can touch the skies. No one can touch the stars.
कभी दरीचों में शम्मे जो हम जलाते हैं.
Daricho mein shama. Kabhi dariche. Daricha means window, but it's not the word that's used in the modern Urdu. Daricho mein means sometimes in the windows, shama is a lamp, like a diya. Sometimes I light the lamp in my windows. Sometimes now, like in the present times, I light a lamp or light a diya in my window.
तो गीत लहजे ख्यालों में गुनगुनाते हैं.
तो गीत लहजा ख्यालों में गुनगुनाते हैं. When we light the lamp in our windows, to geet, songs. Lehja means accent. Khayalo means thought. Khayalo mein means in thoughts. Gungunata is to hum. Gungunana. To geet lehje khayalo mein gungunate hain. That means that my thoughts sing of those times gone by. So now she misses those moments and take pleasure from it. I hope you enjoyed this ghazal. If you want to get a vocabulary transcript or grammar notes, follow me on Patreon. Hope you have a lovely day and I'll see you later. Goodbye.